friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp, and here is the two-step verification is enabled. So if you want to turn off this two-step verification on WhatsApp, let's go with me. Here you have to give your PIN card, okay, that you have set to in two-step verification. Okay, you have to set it 6 digit, then only you can open it. Okay, so click on this three dot, then here you have to click on setting, then here what you have to do is move on account. Okay, then here is the two-step verification, so click on it. Okay, then here is enable two-step verification, so we want to disable or turn off. So click on disable, this one X1, this first one option. Okay, then here you have to click on disable so that it will be set off. Okay, the two-step verification will be turned off, so click on disable, and here is two-step verification enable has been off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.